So you might be trying to figure out how to stop suggestions of your Instagram profile to other people on Instagram. Now, to fix this, it is kind of annoying because you have to go through the internet browser and you can't do this within the Instagram application. So if you go through the Instagram app, it's not going to work. What you're going to have to do is you want to log in to your Instagram.com. So go into your internet browser, whichever internet browser you have, and you're going to want to basically log in to your specific Instagram account within Instagram.com, not the application, but the .com version of the specific application. So once you're here, you'll basically be able to see at the bottom right, it looks just like the Instagram app. You want to click on the bottom right to get onto your profile. Now, when you do that, you basically come into this page as you normally would. Now, what you're going to want to do here is you want to go ahead and basically, it's very basic. You want to go ahead and click on Edit Profile, which is in the top left corner right here. So tap onto Edit Profile, and then you'll come into this page. So it's going to tell you a bunch of stuff, but what you're going to want to do is right here, you want to go ahead and basically where it says Show Account Suggestions on Profiles, you want to go and unclick this. So it's going to say choose whether people can see similar account suggestions on your profile, yada, yada, yada. What you're going to want to do is you want to uncheck this, check mark right here, and you want to go and click Submit. Now what's going to happen is this is no longer going to basically, suggest your account to other people. Now, if you want your account suggested, you can also just go through and just keep this on. But this is essentially how it's done. It's a pretty basic process. And from here, you should be good to go. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.